Well, trending tonight, a mother's idea to charge her 5-year-old daughter rent is going viral.
Essence Evans posted her strategy on Facebook saying that she gives her daughter $7 in allowance each week, but she takes $5 of that back to go towards rent, food, electricity, water, and cable. This all since grown-ups spend most of their paychecks on bills. She figures her daughter should too.
Okay, well, it might sound a little bit harsh, but Evans says she's actually putting that money into a savings account that she'll give her daughter when she turns 18.
Actually, it's really a pretty novel idea.
It is, and I did the math, and it comes out to like $3,380 that she will have by that time.
Hopefully she's paying interest on it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Compounded daily.
Yeah, because I feel like in 15 years, that's not going to be that much. But it'll be something at least.
Yeah, I mean, that could be, I don't know, 2 months rent.
There you go.
Maybe no utilities included in that. I don't know. We'll have to see what 15 years from now brings. We had a beautiful day today. Another